Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add stickers on your video by CapCut. So here I already have my CapCut open. I already have my project here with the video that I want to add the sticker with. And then for the next thing we need to do is just take a look on the features down here. And then please scroll into the left side until we found a sticker tools. And then just click it to access the stickers. Now you can search what stickers that you want to put on your video. For me, I want to put a flower since it's an happy vlog. And then you can adjust in the size. You can make it smaller, and you can also adjust in the positions here. Okay, I want to make it here. And we also can adjusting how long this sticker will be appear on this video by drag this into the right side to make it longer and to the left side to make it shorter. Since I want to this sticker appear in the whole video, I want to make it just have the same length with the video on my project. If you want to add more, you can also do the same way, look for another flower, and then adjusting the size and the positions as well as the length of the sticker will be appear in this project. Okay, let's make it the same and let's take a look on it. Okay, now your video already have the sticker on it. That's all for today's tutorial, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.